Hello guys, so in this video we are going to continue our discussion for our certification preparation for electrical design. So in this video we are going to learn how to create and edit switch systems. From previous video we have learned how to create power circuit and lighting circuit, right? So this time let's create switch system. So as you can see, I already have here lighting fixtures, and I also have here switches like this one, right? So I'm going to create now the system. So it's pretty much the same as creating your power system or your power circuit. So you just need to select the lighting fixture that you want to be included to the system. Let's say, for example, this one here. So I'm going to select this lighting fixture. And then after that, you can see there's a create systems here. So you have two options. So it's either you create a power circuit, which what we have discussed from previous video, and then the other one is creating a switch system. So for this one, I'm going to select switch system. Just click that one, and there you go. So as you can see, this is the only one that is part of the switch system. So let's say, for example, I want to add this lighting fixture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select here edit switch system. If for some reason you deselected this element, like for example, I'm going to modify to deselect or escape. So you just need to select that again. And then after that, go for the switch systems tab here, contextual tab. And then you can select here, edit switch system. Just click that one. And then here on the edit switch system, by default, add to system is already selected. So I'm now going to select this. There you go. And then we need to select the switch where we want to assign these two lighting fixture. So there is select switch here. So just click that button. And then after that, click this occupancy sensor switch. So just click that one. And there you go. We just created our switch system. So that's the switch ID, and then there's the number of fixture that is connected to that switch or being controlled by that switch. So you also have option here if you want to remove the lighting fixture from the switch system. Okay, so aside from adding, so there's also another option there to remove from the system. So if you click that, so let's say I want to remove this, there you go. So it's now removed. So I only have this, but I'm going to add that one. So I select add to system, and then I click this, and then after that finish editing system, and there you go. So you just created your switch system. So that's very simple. So if you hover your pointer to that lighting fixture and then press the tab once, you can see there's the connection, right? So there's the switch system. Okay, you can click that. So there's your switch system. So just hover your pointer, same with this switch here. If you want to see where it's disconnected, so just move your pointer over, do not click, just move and then press tab once, and there you go, and then you can click. So if you want to change the switch where this two lighting fixture is assigned, let's say for some reason you want that to be assigned here. Okay, so to do that, just edit again your switch system. Just click any of the element that is part of that switch system. Just click one. And then after that, go to the switch systems again. And then you can select switch. Just click that one. And then I'm going to select this one. There you go. So if I select here modify, let's tab again. So hover, press tab. As you can see, it's now connected. These two lighting fixtures now connected here. So there is no way for me to logically connect these two lighting fixtures to two different switch. So you can only select one. Okay, so let's do that again. Just select one of the lighting fixture that is part of the system. Go to switch systems, and then select here, select switch, and then click this one. There you go. Modify, hover your pointer, press tab, and there you go. And then click. Okay, you can also disconnect the switch. So if you click the lighting fixture, and then edit switch systems. So there's also disconnect there. So you can select disconnect switch if you want. Okay. So another way of creating your switch system is by selecting all the lighting fixture, because in this one I selected this and then I added this one, right? So in this case, let's say for example for these two lighting fixtures, so I'll just select both. So click one, hold control, and then click the other lighting fixture. There you go. And then I can now select switch here. Okay. And then I just select here, select switch. And then I click this one, and there you have it. All right. And then I'll select here, modify. Okay. So I'll do that here as well. So let's say, for example, for these three lighting fixtures, I want to assign that to this three-way switch. So I'm going to click this, hold control, click, hold control, click the lighting fixture, click the lighting fixture, and then create a switch system, and then select the switch, and then click this one, and there you go. And then I'll select here, modify. Okay. So that's it. So if you want to highlight, again, you can hover to one of the element that is part of the system, press tab, there you go, and then you can click. Okay, so that's it for this simple exercise. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.